Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mimi. I am back with another sit down, get ready with me video, even though I'm not going anywhere, okay? I'm literally just gonna put on some makeup. I got some new things. I'm trying some new Fenty beauty, okay? I am so excited. I got the bronzer in Mocha Mami, and I got the cream blush in Daiquiri Dip. My birthday was last week, so I got a gift card to Sephora, and I was able to get some of the new Fenty Beauty things, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. I am going to be going ahead and moisturizing with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration, and I just got it. I was in need of a new moisturizer. I'm going to be trying the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It's a little itty bitty sample size, so that's going to be my primer base for the day. The primer, I always heard it was like really grippy, but my skin kind of absorbed it, so I don't know. Alright, so for foundation, I am going to be using these foundation sticks by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be mixing this shade Tunisia and Congo. They're different in like shade, but also in undertone, and I think it gives me the perfect undertones. I'm not a pro at undertone categorizations, so I'm just going to say that it gives me the perfect undertone. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my face. And to blend it all out, I'm going to be taking the Morphe M439 foundation brush to just buff it out. So next I'm going to go ahead and I am going to highlight my face. And I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. So for the ColourPop, I'm using Rich Tan. And I'm not going to be using that much, just a little bit. Because, like, we want to be poppin', but we don't want to be, like, crazy. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and let that dry down a lot. Okay, so while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm actually going to go ahead and do a little bit of contouring. And I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place contour or concealer, but I use it for contour in shade number 1, and it's super dark, and I'm really appreciative to brands like Fenty Beauty and Juvia's Place that create products that are dark enough for dark skinned girls. Like, I'm pretty dark, but there's women who are way darker than me, and I talk about it all the time, like my little sister, for example, who some of the products that are made for darker skinned people are not dark enough for her, and I'm so appreciative to brands like this and Fenty Beauty that actually make things for darker skinned women. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and contour with this, and I'm doing a really light contour since I'm gonna be using the bronzer also, and I want a little bit of a snatched jawline, so I'm just gonna snatch the jawline just a little bit. So then I'm gonna go ahead and blend my contour in. I'm using this random brush by the brand called Anjou 03. I got it from Amazon, so it's a really random brush, but I really like this brush set. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my contour. Yes, y'all see that? That blend, scrumptious, and you only use just a little bit and it makes a beautiful blend like that, girl. So I went ahead and I finished blending all of my contour, and as you can see, it is looking bomb. I'm gonna go ahead and blend in my highlight, and I try not to bring it too out. I try to keep it as focused on the middle part of my face as I can, and then just blend everything around it versus dragging it out and then having to work harder with a lot more product. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend around the edges of everything just to make it more seamless. As you can see, as I'm just blending it out in, it's creating a more seamless look. And then I just go back in and I dab a little bit just to keep that continuity of everything. This side is like blended. And this side is harsher, as you can see. Okay, now for the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the cream blush by Fenty Beauty, and the color is Daiquiri Dip. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and start dabbing that on. Ooh. Ooh. She just kind of melts. Oh my god. I love this already so much. So much. I love it. Just gonna take it up. Ooh, it just gives you that healthy glow. Ooh, might have applied a little too much on the nose here, but that's okay. Almost look like I got a cold or something. Ooh, the only little bit of like powder I'm gonna be using is the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer. And what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna take it on a smaller fluffy brush because I want to control where I put it, and just gonna pat pat pat. I don't know how this is gonna come out. I don't know. You can't really even see it, I don't think. You know what's interesting is as I'm applying Mocha Mami, it's almost giving me the same vibe as Daiquiri Dip. And that's interesting. Because when I always heard of Mocha Mami, ooh. I love this. I don't know if you guys can see just that healthy glow. Wow. I'm impressed. Like my first real experience with Fenty Beauty. And I'm just thoroughly impressed. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to tell you. Like you gotta go buy it. You gotta buy it. And I was like, $20 for this little itty bitty thing, but the amount of joy it's gonna bring your heart, you're gonna have to go buy it. That's all I'm gonna say about that. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all. Go buy it, sis. I'm not sponsored by Fenty Beauty. If you haven't noticed, I literally have like 200 followers, subscribers on YouTube. Fenty Beauty is not sponsoring me to say all this, any of this. They don't even know I exist, probably. But you gotta go buy it, 'cause it's bomb, sis. The last thing I'm gonna do with my face, since it's not really anything crazy, I mean, this is a bomb. Y'all, I'm deceased. No, God forbid, not deceased. In Jesus' name, I'm alive and well. But for real, I am gonna go ahead and highlight. To highlight, I'm gonna be taking the Milk. Ooh, it is looking like milk, completely white, all up in here. You cannot see that. Well, it is the Flex highlighter in Glazed, one of my favorite highlighters. I need to get some new ones, so if you guys have any suggestions, even if it's Fenty Beauty, let me know down below and I will go buy it. And I kind of lost a little bit of that blush in there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do just a little more blush right on top of that. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera really quickly, like my brows and my eye situation, and then I'll be right back to give you my finishing thoughts on the Fenty Beauty and the Milk Hydro Grip that I tried. So yeah, see you guys soon. Alright, so for my final thoughts, I really like these Fenty Beauty combo. This one, I feel like everybody has used it and their moms, so I don't think I really need to review that. But for the cream, ooh, it is a bomb. As you can see, it's kind of melted into my skin and with the highlight, and it's just giving me happiness, okay? Like, just this whole combination, this whole vibe. I'm looking a little sweaty, but in a good way. That healthy glow. And I didn't set anything, so the fact that I'm not looking like dripping wet, bomb, bomb, bomb. So yes to the Fenty Beauty. The only thing I will say is that this packaging could have been a better choice. It does seem to get pretty dirty like around the rim, and I'd rather it be like super clean, but I mean, that's your prerogative. Yeah, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this kind of sit down, chit-chatty, talking video, please go ahead and let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.